welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. This channel will be looking at disruptive companies in order to unlock exponential gains. If this is your first time on the channel, consider going through all my past videos. And if what I'm doing intrigues you, then feel free to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget that notification bell, because that's how you'll get notified when I release another video. And thank you to all the returning subscribers for following me. I appreciate your support. And to everyone else, please remember that I'm not a financial consultant. Everything in this video is my opinion and is for educational purposes only. If you are new to investing, consider using the 2 links in my description box to open an account with Webull. If you use my link, then you're supporting my channel. I'm not sponsored by them at all. If you use my link, then you'll get free money and free stocks. Thank you very much. Without further ado, let's get into it. In this video for Asia Broadband, Aabb, we're going to cover some of the news that were released recently prior to the launching of the cryptocurrency exchange. Again, that will happen December 28th, 2021. I think some of the more relevant ones that we need to know are, again, on 11/30th, 2021, they acquired the Bonanza gold mine, in which they have 100% interest, whereas the Tequila gold mine that they acquired in October, they only had 75% interest. What was really interesting to me in reading the acquisitions of the Bonanza gold mine was that they were to pay $6 million to acquire this gold mine. However, they only had to pay them $2 million worth in cash in 2 different installments, and the other $4 million were in restricted shares of Aabb. In other words, the seller believes in Aabb, and they were willing to take $4 million worth of restricted shares, not even unrestricted shares. This means that they're not able to exercise the $4 million until whatever the time frame is. So I think if that isn't the greatest vote of confidence, then I don't really know what is. So to me, it gives me assurance in knowing that the seller is willing to do this. Whereas before, the acquisitions of the Tequila gold mine, a few months prior to that, contract wasn't like this. Also, the release from November 17th, 2021, Asia Broadband exceeds 1.1 million in gold-backed cryptocurrency sales last month. This is prior to the cryptocurrency exchange. I think a lot of those sales happened towards the end. And I think because people were very excited and they expect the value of aabbg token to rise. And again, aabbg token is not a stable coin, but it has the stable quality of a stable coin because coin is supported by gold. It's actually 0.1 grams of gold. And so I think what's great about aabbg's token is that it gets price appreciation from not only from gold, but also from cryptocurrency, both the best world. And this is the reason why I think gold-backed cryptocurrency is going to be big. In fact, aabbg token is completely backed by 30 million in physical gold, and the additional token that they will be creating will also be 100% backed by physical gold. I don't know what the term is, but their goal is that they want to be 100% free from fiat currency. So gold to crypto. I don't think there is any other way to better deal with inflation than this equation. I know a lot of people say, where do you want to see Aabb in, say, the next 2 years? Where do you see it being? Know that the biggest US-based cryptocurrency exchange is Coinbase. Right now, it's trading at about $266 per share. For myself, I'm hoping that Aabb will hit $1. It might even be $5 within the next 5 years. That's sort of is where my hope is. And I think they will start to generate more income once with the sales of Aabbg token and their cryptocurrency exchange and hosting, if they end up hosting all the popular cryptocurrency on their exchange, then we know a lot of that will be an income generating stream for them. I also think that, in the next 11 days towards formal launching of Aabb crypto exchange, I think they're going to be pushing out more news that will drive up sort of like the sentiment, investor sentiment. Again, that's just basically what I would do if I were part of their management team. I would definitely market it. I think the biggest problem that I have with this company is that it's not very well known. And so they would have to have a lot of investment towards marketing it. But I think right now they're still in the development stages where their main focus is on acquisitions of gold mines. And you know that they have a comparative advantage in creating their businesses in Mexico. And so they're staying there and they're acquiring gold mines because they've already developed a process for extracting gold. So I think once their development and their production and all of that is in place, you're not going to see too much marketing from them until they're all ready, which I like though, because, you know, I like slowly but steady, which means that it's not so hyped, right? And I know that a lot of Aabb investors, a lot of them are long-term holders. They're bulls. At least I can't speak for all of them, but for myself, I'm not going to be trading it for, you know, 30, 40 grand, but I'm in it for the lion's share. I'm very excited next 11 days to see what's going to happen. I know today it's sort of like been fluctuating between 19 cents and 17.5 cents. Again, I hope that it maintains and it closed above 20 cents this week. There's so much for the quick rise as much as a well-established support at, I think, the 20-cent level. That would make me very happy. And I hope that it will consolidate somewhere there. You know, let me know if you're interested in this company or if you've already invested, what your opinion is, how long you plan to hold this company. That's all I have for you guys today. Happy trading, and I will see you in the next couple of videos. Thank you. Bye.